Hello everyone, my name is Reza and welcome to brand new tutorial on SQL Naming Convention. Variable Declaration v underscore variable underscore name. Example v underscore variable name here employee underscore name. Cursor Declaration cursor underscore name. Example see your car underscore employee underscore list. Exception Declaration e underscore exception underscore name. Example e underscore invalid underscore employee underscore name. Procedure Declaration p underscore procedure underscore name. Example p underscore employee underscore get underscore employees underscore by filter. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.